Welcome to Accessibility in Web Design. In this video, we will look at examples of websites that go above and beyond in their design to make themselves usable by all. According to the World Wide Web Consortium Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, websites should follow the rule of POUR: perceivable, operable, understandable, and robust. For a site to be perceivable, information and user interface components must be presentable to users in ways they can perceive. This includes features such as captions, alt text included with images, text adjustability, and use of good color contrast. For a site to be operable, the user interface components and navigation must be operable. It should be keyboard accessible, allow enough time for users to read and use content, be easily navigated, and should be created in a way that does not cause seizures. For a site to be understandable, information and the operation of the user interface must be understandable. This includes being able to choose a default language, using terms that users know or providing key definitions, including navigation buttons and tabs that are consistent throughout, providing clear error messages and suggestions to fix mistakes, and labeling items for input. For a site to be robust, content must be robust enough that it can be interpreted by a wide variety of user agents, including assistive technologies. This allows all users to interact with the content successfully. Let's look at an excellent example of accessibility. This Web Accessibility for Developers site allows users to change the screen contrast here as a darker vision, change the color contrast for black and white, yellow font on a black background, or inverted to be a yellow background and black font. Users can also change the layout to view more items at one time. They can change the size of the font to be bigger or smaller depending on their preference. They can also change the spacing between letters. All of these items make this website easily accessible to those with low vision or to people that have personal preferences on how they like to view their web content. The author also provides links to AAA websites, or websites that go above and beyond in their web content accessibility guidelines compliance. One example is the webpage for Vision Australia. As you can see, this site has great color contrast with the blues, the yellows, and the whites. It can be easily navigated here at the top and with the buttons, and it would be easily read by a screen reader. So let's review. An accessible site should be perceivable, operable, understandable, and robust. For more information, visit the World Wide Web Consortium website. Thanks for watching!